Chuki Beats.
So it's been 4 weeks. 4 weeks since we first put this in the borax. And as you can see, I dusted it off. All the meat, everything that you want to be gone is gone. Off the legs, off the beard, and of course the place where the most meat was is the fan. The borax just dried everything out, front and back of course, and it turned out really good. So we actually gonna put it on a mount for you guys today as well. I purchased the Beard Master right here. I got it off Amazon. It was under $20, so really nice mount. The only thing you need to put that together is a drill and a screwdriver. So we're gonna take you guys through it and show you exactly how to put it on that mount and then get it up on the wall. So once you take it out of the wrapper, you're gonna see that it has some screws and a packet of pins. First thing you're gonna wanna do is there's some screws back here. You wanna go ahead and take those out so you can take the entire mount apart. There's 3 slots at the bottom of each shot shell where you can just slide the turkey beard right in there and screw it down. So I just slid the beard right into that slot, and now I'm gonna screw it down. The beard's not going anywhere. That's how it's gonna look right there. So all we did here is went ahead and preset our drill holes on the turkey legs, and what we're gonna do with this is just put them in these 2 slots right here. So we screwed those down in there. This other piece of the plate that we took off in the very beginning is just gonna sit right here. And the good thing about this is that you're gonna be able to adjust these exactly to where you want them. So after the first trial run, we realized that we had too much at the top of the leg, so we had to cut about a ½ inch off. So these will be able to fit right here, and these holes on the bottom of this part of the plaque will be able to line up. We had too much excess leg, so it was holding this from being able to line up with those holes. So just had to cut with the saw a little bit off, and we should be good to go now. So now, as you can see, with this being cut off a little bit more, we have the whole outline of this part of the plaque being able to fit, as opposed to how we had it originally. Just being able to cut this off a little bit. And another thing that we did is we actually turned the leg around. So we used the flatter side of the leg to be able to get in line with the bottom of the plaque, and it'll sit down a little bit better so we can put that on. So all we did is we used the same drill bit that we used to drill a hole through the legs right here on the cartilage of the fan. Use one of the screws that they gave us and put it right through that hole and line it up with the hole down in the bottom. So now that fan's nice and secure. Last thing we're gonna do is line these holes up, put this here, and it'll flatten out that fan, and we'll be done. So here it is, guys, the finished product. We went through some trials and tribulations with it, but finally got it figured out, and I'm super excited with the way that it turned out. Can't wait to get it up on the wall. It's a good way to display your trophy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. It's super easy to do your own turkey taxidermy, this fan mount, also with the legs and the beard. So you guys give it a try. If there's any questions that you guys have, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll be able to help you guys out with that. So again, thanks for tuning in. Remember, click right here to subscribe to the channel. Click right here to see my latest YouTube video, and I'll catch you guys right here next time.